Happy Thursday. Let's take a look. Thursday. It's not just a Thursday, it's a birthday today. It is Thursday, April. What comes after 14? It is the 15th. April 15th. Who has a birthday on April 15th? Not that you can shout through the computer and tell us, but on April 15th, it is Bella's birthday, which for our afternoon friends, Elena and Ariana know her because they were together in Miss Wright's class, but Bella is in the morning class. Now, Bella, you could be an early bird and you could be watching this before we get on class together, or you might be watching it after. And if you're watching it after class, we sang to you in class. If you're an early bird, we'll sing to you in class together to celebrate you today because it is Thursday and it is your birthday. Okay, Thursday has that, what digraph? Thursday. Ooh, and that bossy R-U-R. Thursday. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Okay. Yesterday we showed the time 8 o'clock. Today I would like to show 8:30. So if you remember what you thought 8 o'clock looks like, what would 8:30 look like? Do you remember? What would you do for 8:30? Where would we put the minute hand? Where should that hour hand go? Remember we talk about the hour goes around. We start at the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then it starts again. So it's 8:30. 8 is going towards the 9. So it's in between for our hour hand, in between 8 and 9. Our minute hand comes all the way down here to the 6 because, right, we've talked about halves. Halfway, right? If we drew a line down the middle of my clock this way, it would cut it in half. We would have 2 equal parts, yes? So half past, that's where we get that half past. It comes halfway around, half past 8, because our 8 is going towards our 9, so there it is, halfway in between there too. If we thought about the space between here and cut it in half. Get all that half talk. It is 8:30, or we also might say it as 8:30. When we think of a digital clock, usually we say it as 8:30. Most people don't look at a digital clock and go, oh, it's 8:30. We usually would read it as 8:30. But sometimes when we look at this, we might say it's 8:30 or 8:30, depending on what's happening in our head. Just never know. Okay. Let's take a look. Today's number is 84. 84. We've got our 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, and our number word 4. Not to be confused with I have something for you, but our F-O-U-R. I just put the lid on my marker like I'm done working. We're not done working. 84. G is silly. 84. There it is. 84. It is a 2-digit number. We know our 2-digit numbers tell us 10s and 1s. So if 84 is our number, how many 10s? How many 1s? When we look at that number, do we know how many 10s and how many 1s are in that number? Excuse me. Did you say there were 8 10s and 4 1s? You were right if you did. Okay. How would you show that then with base 10 blocks for 84. 84. Give you a few more seconds. 84. You can count them by tens if that helps you, if you don't remember. You ready? I have 8 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 4 ones. 84. So if I want to do expanded form, if I listen to that, 80 plus 4 will be our expanded form. 84. Okay. Let's plop that number right in the middle. It is 84 today. One less. I take one away. I only have 3, but I still had 8 tens. 83. Okay, so 83, 84, one more. 85. Very nice. 83, 84, 85. Okay, still a little trickier thinking about 10 less. 10 less. I have 8 tens. If 1 10 goes away, then I only have 7 tens. Still 4 ones. 74. Okay, 10 more. I have 8 tens. Another 10 would be 9 tens. I would still have my 4 ones. 94. Very nice. 94. Okay. Guess what? Our piggy bank wants 94 cents. But first, let's add a straw. He does. I'll go ahead and write it. We just said 94 since it was 10 more than our number. We are going to add a straw for today. We were in school for 137 days yesterday. 137. We are adding one more. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Very good. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 more than 7 is 8. So we have 8 ones now. 3 tens still. Very good. 100 still. So 137 plus 1 is 138. You are 138 days smarter. Okay, so we should have one more sticker added. 7 plus 1 more does equal 8. And I know that's 8 because 2 more are empty, and I know 2 more would make 10 with 8. 138. Okay, 94 cents. Let's check him out. 94 cents. I'm going to start with my dimes today, because I know 9 dimes will give me 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Then I would just need 4 pennies. Very good. 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pennies. 94 cents. Now, could start by changing out some dimes. 2 quarters equal 50 cents. Good. So I could change 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes with my 2 quarters. So I could have 5 dimes. 50 cents. 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 4 pennies. But could I? If I wanted to add a quarter, I know that's 25, but this is 30. I could break this dime. Ooh, look, if I break this dime into 2 nickels, nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Okay, so I could say, 10.25. I could trade this nickel and these 2 dimes for a quarter. So I have 3 quarters, 75. 5 more is 80. 10 more is 90. 94. This is our least amount of coins. But we just showed 3 ways to do it. Really 4 ways because we broke up that dime with 2 nickels at first. Very nice. Okay, I told you today. Well, I told you yesterday. Today we were going to do another fact family. We want our total again to equal 7. Yesterday we did 5 and 2 equals 7. Today we're going to do 6 and 1 equals 7. So for a addition equation first, I could start with those parts. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then its turnaround fact would be 1 plus 6 equals 7. Now, take away. Let's start with the total. 7. So my total is first. Always remember, take away. Start with my total. Take away, total. They both start with that total. Then I take away a part. 7 take away 1 equals 6. So then 7 take away 6 should equal 1. We can always check it if we don't remember those facts. I'm going to tell you it is right, but 7 take away 1, there's 6. 7 take away 6, I know 6 is 5 and 1. 1 more are left. 7 take away 6 does equal 1. Related fact families. Nice work. Tomorrow, remember, we'll do our calendar together. See you tomorrow.